We'll guide you through how to cancel item subscriptions and subscribe and save on Amazon. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on a phone or computer. We're starting off on a computer though. So perhaps you went and subscribed to an item using subscribe and save, and now you no longer want it. If you don't cancel it, that item will keep on coming, whatever the time frame you went and selected. It may be a month, but it can be different variations as well. So to go and cancel it is much easier you probably think, and we're going to guide you through this step by step. So let's go and get right into this. So to get started, you can come to the Amazon website and make sure you're signed in. Now, what you want to do is go to the top right where it says hello and hover over this here. Now, what you need to do is come down this list until you go and find the option for your subscribe and save. This is where your subscriptions for items are. So you can go and click there. Now go and wait, and at the top you're going to go and see here a delivery I had, but you need to go and press subscriptions at the top. Then you're going to go and see the subscriptions you have. As you can see, I've got this here. The next delivery is going to be by the 7th of May, and this is every 3 months, but it can be different as I said. So let's go and press edit like so, and then you're going to go and see some different options here when it's going to be the shipping address to pay a method. But to go and cancel it, you need to come over to the right. You can go and switch the item, but just cancel it. You'll find the option for cancel subscription. Click there and you can then go and confirm your decision. You have the option for giving a reason, and that's it. Press it there. Here we are, I'm now on my phone. So it's a similar process, and we're going to guide you through exactly what you need to go and tap to go and cancel your subscription. So what you need to do is, for the first way, you can go and press the user button at the bottom, just to the right of the home button, the second option. Then at the top here, you need to go and press account like so. And in here, you then want to go and find the option for your subscribe and save. Alternatively, to get to this list, you can press the 3 lines in the bottom. And then at the top, you want to go and find the option for subscribe and save, or you can go and press your account at the top and then find your subscribe and save. Here we are. And then what you can do at the top here is you'll see the option for edit subscriptions, but don't go there. You want to press subscriptions at the top. You then see the subscriptions and you can find the one that you want to go and cancel and stop. Press edit beneath it like so. And then you'll go and see the option for cancel to the right of need this now. There are some other options as well, but then we can press cancel if you're sure. Choose an option and you can then press cancel my subscription. You can see there it's now been confirmed and cancelled. It's that simple. And of course, if you've got multiple, you can go and repeat that with more. If you found this useful, then I look forward to help you again in the future. We've got loads more how-tos on the channel, and I'm sure you'll go and find something useful there. I look forward to help you again in the next one. And if you've got any suggestions, feel free to put them down below. Have a great day. Goodbye.